Drugs that are categorized as uppers or speeds can give the following symptoms of abuse except A. Dilation of pupils, B. Sudden burst of laughter, C. Increasingly inactive, D. Wakefulness. Answer B. Sudden burst of laughter. The burning of a small quantity of the suspected substance and determining the odor or smell having similar to burnt banana leaves or has a sweetish odor is a field test that can reveal the drug A. Marijuana, B. Opium, C. Coca leaves, D. Peyote cactus. Answer A. Marijuana. The drug that is obtained from the alkaloid of the leaves of the Erythrocylon coca and the other species of Erythrocylon lean or by synthesis from ecgonine in its derivatives is called A. Heroin, B. Sodium carbonate, C. Codeine, D. Cocaine. Answer D. Cocaine. Bennies and Dixies are for amphetamines. Red Devils and Double Trouble are for A. Demerol, B. Sulfates, C. Barbiturates, D. Deliriants. Answer C. Barbiturates. What kind of drug examination is made during the initial investigation conducted by the first responding officers? A. Field testing, B. Laboratory analysis, C. Color reaction test, D. All of this. Answer A. Field testing. Duquesnoy-Levin test is for marijuana. Simon's test is for A. Shabu, B. Cocaine, C. Opium derivatives, D. Amphetamine. Answer A. Shabu. The presence of drug paraphernalia at the drug scene in the form of syringe and needle, tourniquet, spoon or bottle top cookies and tinfoil packet reveals that the drug being administered are A. Tablet drugs, B. Capsule drugs, C. Liquid drugs, D. Marijuana leaves. Answer C. Liquid drugs. The body sign in narcotic death investigation of bluish discoloration of the face and or fingernails due to insufficient oxygenation of the blood caused by increase in carbon dioxide in the body is called A. Petechial hemorrhage, B. Cyanosis, C. Asphyxia, D. Hematoma. Answer B. Cyanosis. What is called the visual evidence in drug-related cases? A. Needle marks or tracks, B. Asphyxiation, C. Skin diseases, D. Internal body signs. Answer A. Needle marks or tracks. What kind of alcohol is used in alcoholic drinks? A. Methyl alcohol, B. Ethyl alcohol, C. Brewery, D. Ethylene. Answer B. Ethyl alcohol.